Ever wondered why your diet isn't working as well as you'd hope, even though you're eating healthy foods? Could it be that you're not considering the calorie content of your meals? Calorie counting, as simple as it sounds, is a powerful tool in your journey towards healthier eating and weight management. It's the process of keeping track of the amount of calories you consume on a daily basis. Why is it important, you ask? Well, understanding how many calories you're taking in versus how many you're burning helps in maintaining, losing, or even gaining weight. Here's a truth bomb. Eating healthy doesn't automatically mean you're consuming fewer calories. You could be feasting on avocados, quinoa, and almond butter all day, but if you're consuming more than your body burns, you're likely to gain weight. So, let's move beyond the healthy food equals low calories myth and start paying attention to the quantity as well as the quality of our food. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but how much you eat that matters. So, how can you start counting calories effectively? It's not as daunting as it sounds, promise. First off, understanding food labels is crucial. The number of calories is usually listed per serving, so be sure to check what a serving size actually is. For instance, if a serving size is half a cup and you eat a full cup, you're actually consuming twice the number of calories listed. Remember, it's not just about the calories, but also about the portion size. Next, familiarize yourself with the calorie content of common foods. Did you know that a single apple has about 80 calories, while a tablespoon of olive oil packs around 120? Having a rough idea of the calorie content of foods you regularly eat can help you make quick decisions without having to check labels every time. Now, let's talk about tools that can help. There are numerous calorie counting apps available that can make the process easier. These applications often have extensive food databases, allowing you to log in and track your meals with ease. Some apps also allow you to scan barcodes on food packages for quick data entry. Remember, the goal is to make calorie counting a habit, not a chore. Speaking of habits, try to log your meals and snacks as soon as you eat them. This helps keep your food diary accurate and prevents you from forgetting what you've consumed throughout the day. It might feel tedious at first, but with consistency, it becomes second nature over time. Lastly, remember that while counting calories can help you understand your diet better, it's not the only factor to consider. The quality of the food you eat matters too. 100 calories of vegetables will provide more nutrients and keep you fuller longer than 100 calories of candy. So, try to balance your focus between the number of calories and the nutritional value of your food. This will not only help you maintain a healthy weight, but also ensure that your body gets the nutrients it needs. With these tips in mind, you can start counting calories accurately and make more informed decisions about your diet. Before we dive into the key points about calorie counting and smarter eating, here's a little request from our side. If you're finding this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends who might also benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos packed with health and diet tips. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing it only amplifies its impact. Now let's get back to understanding the essence of calorie counting and how it aids in smarter eating. Stay tuned. Now that we've covered the basics of calorie counting, it's time to summarize the key points. Calorie counting is more than just a diet strategy. It's a way of understanding your relationship with food and making smarter choices. It's about knowing what goes into your body and how it impacts your energy levels, your health, and your well-being. The first key point to remember is that all calories are not created equal. Yes, a calorie is a unit of energy, but the source of that calorie matters. 100 calories of broccoli, rich vitamins and minerals, will fuel your body differently than 100 calories of soda, laden with sugars and devoid of nutrients. The second point is the role of exercise. While it's true that you lose weight by consuming fewer calories than you burn, exercise plays a vital role in this equation. It not only helps in burning calories, but also improves your metabolism, cardio health, and overall well-being. So, balance your diet with regular exercise. The third point is about the importance of portion control. It's easy to underestimate the number of calories in a meal, especially when dining out. That's where calorie counting comes in handy. By being aware of the caloric content of your food, you can make informed decisions about portion sizes. The fourth point is about the nutritional value of food. Calorie counting is not just about restricting calories, it's about ensuring you're getting enough nutrients. Remember to consume a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. The final point is that calorie counting is a tool, not a rule. It's not about perfection, but about making informed choices. It's about understanding your food intake and how it impacts your body. Some days you may go over your calorie limit, and that's okay. It's about long-term patterns and habits, not single-day deviations. Remember, calorie counting is a tool for smarter eating, not a rule. It's all about balance and making informed choices. Happy counting! But hey, we understand that starting new eating habits can be challenging. That's why, to help you kickstart your journey towards smarter eating, we're offering a free Keto Kickstart. This program includes 19 delicious keto recipes and personalized meal plans that align with your calorie goals. These low-carb, high-fat recipes are not only tasty, but also provide the right balance of nutrients to fuel your body. The personalized meal plans take the guesswork out of calorie counting, so you can focus on enjoying your meals and living a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're new to the keto diet or looking to add some variety to your meals, our free Keto Kickstart is a perfect companion to calorie counting. It's designed to help you make informed and balanced food choices and ultimately live a healthier lifestyle. Sign up for the free Keto Kickstart using the link below. Remember, it's not just about counting calories, it's about making every calorie count. Happy eating!